Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In this video I would like to say thank you to Dictum for sending me this awesome package, fun package, care package, whatever you want to call. So let's check what is inside the box. Okay, let's take the papers off. First what we have there is this awesome Dictum hat, cap, whatever you want to call. After we have here a couple catalogs from Dictums. This is Dictum knives or Japanese knives. Very cool one. Another catalog is about the hand tools or tools what they selling in the shop. Very cool stuff inside. Very cool planes, spoke shafts, everything what you need for your workshop. Very cool stuff. And the third one is Dictum gift ideas or whatever you need. It's like all kind of stuff like that. If you want to look. And next thing, yeah, we have a surprise bag from Dictum. So let's check what is inside the bag. We have a nice wooden ruler from Dictum. Let's put the hand there again. Next one is nice Dictum folding ruler or yardstick, that we want to call. Very handy to have it. Always carrying out one in my pocket. What next we have there? Oh, nice Dictum screwdriver. Sorry, like that. Very cool one. Nice one. What else we have there? Oh, very cool little knife. Nice Dictum knife. Folding knife. Very cool one. What else we have there? Another bag. Open it. Ryan's Chinese Chameleon. Oh, it's the oil, protect oil for your planes, chisels, or the blades, I mean knives, or whatever you want to use against the rust. What else we have there? Awesome pen. Dictum. What else we have in the bag? Stickers. Awesome stickers. Oh, I'm a big fan of stickers, so this is gonna go straight on my sticker wall. And two like that. And that's empty. So I just wanted to say in this way big thank you to Dictum for sending me this cool stuff. And I hope we're gonna have more Dictum stuff to come in, and we're gonna talk about more about their stuff. But if you are interested in their product, I'm gonna put their website down in the description so you can check them out. And I think it's worth it to check them out because they have very cool stuff, from hand planes, chisels, Japanese hand planes, all what you need for your woodworking. So let's check them out. Thank you for watching today's videos. Hope you like it. If you do, just put the thumb up. If you don't like it, put the thumb up, down. Comment whatever you want. I will answer every comment. Please share, subscribe, and thank you one more time.